So I fitted the tow bar electrics, fantastic, but I've got a bit of a wiring fault. My indicator now doesn't work. So ignore these wires that are hanging, check this Scotch lock out. This is what you get when you find people have owned the vehicle for years and they put their bodgery into it. Look at the rust in there. That's not going to transmit much electric. We'll get rid of that, but where the tow bar was fitted before, there was a bracket. That bracket was crushing these wires. Look at that. They're flat. So I just had to cut that out. And look at these wires up here. I found that there was a few disconnected. They just like rotten through. So how fun. So I've bolted these flashing lights on, or beacons at the back there. They're both even, best I can get it. There and there, fantastic. Wiring, ignore that, need to sort that out. Over here I've put an earth that side. And what I've done is wired up all of these little fairy lights, I suppose, along the bottom of the flap. I've put them all along here and I've soldered them on. So that big earth wire basically goes around to the other side, and up there there's another earth point similar to this side, so that should have a good earth on it at least. Okay, so wired all of these in. How exciting. Now I just got to run that inside the car into the battery. Wow, look at the mess. Yay. Do you know, I'm so glad I took the seats out. Obviously I'm painting all this in here and giving it a good clean, but this was the only thing holding the seat in. It was through here. Fantastic. There wasn't even a nut on the end of it. It was literally just floating like that. Sketchiness. Do you want to know what's even better? The passenger seat hasn't even got a bolt in it. It's literally just floating. Wow. Look at the state of it in here now. Right, I need to tidy all these wires up. I don't know what half of this is. Got wires floating on the roof here that I don't know what's going on. And this area was never going to be used because I don't have a radio. So then I need to pull this off. All this guff. Need to paint it, hoover it obviously first, sand it back, and then get some boards on that roof. And then I can start feeding wires through from that hole down there. How exciting is this? So that's all these off the back here. Mount's gone, bracket's gone, and the two brackets over there. So now, hopefully, it should peel off. Lovely. Nice, all this needs sanding back and painting properly. How exciting. This is well and truly gutted. Look at that now. Yes. Marvellous. Things never been so clean. Look at it now. Beautiful on this side. This side, I haven't done that bit yet. So that will need to be done now. So these stupid lights are proving a pain in the bum to try and get these wires through. So what I've done is fed them through there, fantastic, but how am I meant to get them through here? Like, I've had to get a bit of metal and I've put the metal through it. So what I'm going to do is tape the cable to it and then pull it through there. So that's going to be perfect. So all these lovely little lights are now finally poking through my roof all the way around. And now I just need to wire them up. They're an absolute pig to push through.